passing sleeping cities, faded by degrees, not believing all I see to be so. Flying over backyards, country homes and ranches, watching life between the branches down below. And it's hard to say who you are these days, but you run on anyway, don't you, baby? You keep running for another place to find that saving grace. I'm moving all alone over ground that no one owns, past statues that atone for my sins. There's a God on every door and a drink on every floor, overflowing with 1,000 amen. And it's hard to say who you are these days, but you run on anyway, don't you, baby? You keep running from another place to find that saving grace, don't you, baby? There's a rolling up the carpet of your father's two-room mansion, no headroom for expansion no more. And there's a corner of the floor that telling you is yours. You're confident but not really sure, and it's hard to say who you are these days, but you run on anyway, don't you, baby? You keep running for another place to find that saving grace, don't you, baby? You keep running for another place to find that saving grace. Hey folks, going to be a guitar lesson for Saving Grace by Tom Petty off the Highway Companion album. What a cool song, the opening track. This is just my acoustic guitar lesson for this. It's really an electric rock song, but here's my acoustic lesson. The guitar is in standard tuning. There's no capo. Mainly it's an E. It's kind of an E. I'm going to do a lot of palm muting. You know, I'm sure you do this. I'm just going to palm mute a lot of the sound here. I'm not going to strum an E chord. Let me try to do it with my guitar. So however you want to do that, just figure out the style that you'd like. But it's an E. And then you just add the G bass note twice. So it's just... So however you do that, whatever method works for you. I just play a regular E and I'm just going to add my pinky to G, but that's the easy way for me to do it. But that's most of the song, is that riff. So just get that down. I'm passing sleeping cities, faded by degrees, not believing all I see to be so. So you just keep doing that, and that repeats all the verses. And it's hard to say. Next part is an A7, is what I'm playing, an A7. But you run on anyway, don't you, baby? You're back to the E riff with the G bass. Running for another place to find that saving grace. So it's running G, running from another place to D. Find that saving grace. Back to the E riff. Add that G. And then your Q. I'm moving all alone over ground that no one owns, past statues that atone for my sins. And that just keeps going. And then it's hard to say this part, A7. I'll just keep it. Don't you, baby, E. You keep running, G, running for another place to D. Find that saving grace. Back to the E. Now, the only other part of this song. All right, so what I'm doing, again, this is an acoustic version, not an electric version. I'm just going to keep that E chord, and I'm going to play the E, the low E, and then on the 5th string, the A string, I'm going to play B, B flat, A, and back to the E. So E, B, B flat, A, E, B, B flat, A, E, B, B flat, A to an A7, A7, and then you're back to the E. To the A7th, then you hold the A7th to a B7th, then you're back. You're rolling up the carpet of your father's two-room mansion. No headroom for expansion, no more, and everything's the same. Then it's hard to say who you are these days, but you run on anyway, don't you, baby? Again, the E. Running G, running on another place to D. Find that saving grace. E. Don't you, baby? And you repeat it. You keep running for another place to find that saving grace to an E. Don't you, baby? And then the outro is like the middle part. On an E. So it's E, B, B flat, A, that same pattern. However you want to play it, but. And then we're going to end on that E chord. Hey folks, that is my take on Saving Grace by Tom Petty, my acoustic arrangement. Even broke out the old Ovation. This is my original guitar from the 1980s. I thought it would be a good one for this song. Thank you folks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Everybody stay safe. Stay happy. Have a good day. I'll see you soon. Take care.